Things people assume about us trans women that just aren't true. Number one, we transition for attention. So lahat ba ng gastos ko sa hormones, skincare, hair, and makeup, tingin mo lahat yun para sa'yo? Eh, sino ka ba? Sure. Para lang malinaw, we are transitioning for ourselves. Mas importante po yung validation that we could give to ourselves from healing our inner ones as compared sa validation na kayang maibigay ng ibang tao sa amin. Another misconception is that transitioning fixes everything. Kasi akala nga ng iba na porket nag-hormones ka na, mawawala na lahat ng problema. No, babe. In fact, pwede pa ngang madagdagan yung mga yan with body dysmorphia, discrimination, and even heartbreak sa mga taong hindi tatanggap sa'yo. But trust me, kakayanin mong harapin lahat ng yan because transitioning, this is the first step to healing. This will give you alignment and assurance na wala kang ginagawang masama. You're just choosing to believe and follow what you feel, and that is completely valid. Third misconception, we owe other people explanations. As trans women, we are entitled to live, take space, and take our own privacy. Meron tayong karapatan na piliin na hindi sagutin ang mga tanong ng iba, lalo na if invasive or masyadong personal. I mean, sure, may mga tao talagang curious, but curiosity isn't equals to entitlement. Once again, what you are entitled of is privacy, and you choosing that is not rude, but it is self-respect. Number four, trans women are trying to be women. No, we are not trying to be women. We are simply choosing to be ourselves. At para sa amin, womanhood isn't just a costume or a role na pwede naming suotin at hubarin from time to time. In fact, womanhood is so much deeper than that. Para sa amin, all women, including trans women, have shared experiences that are lived, felt, and embodied in a lot of ways, and we treasure those so much. Last misconception, na kami ay marurupok and broken. The simple fact that we are here existing and surviving sa mundong marami pa rin ang naniniwala na mali ang aming pagkatao just proves how strong and courageous we all are. Just because some of us are open into talking about our feelings, experiences, and struggles doesn't mean we are fragile. It just means that we are emotionally aware and vulnerable enough, hindi para kaawaan nyo ha, but to educate you that people like us exist. At kagaya nyo, we also deserve to be loved, respected, and protected.